Cody Flowers and Maddison Glover. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, easy intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around and doing 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows and you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn. Put it on me. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to scuff our right heel forward, and as we bring it up, we're going to swing our right foot to the right side, stepping down onto our right foot. You want your weight to feel like it is split. It's more on the right, but you want both feet planted on the ground. You're now going to take your left knee, you're going to roll it into your right, putting your weight onto your right foot. We're now going to roll our left knee out towards the left, putting weight onto our left foot. We're going to cross our right over our left, rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right foot, slightly angling your hips to the right, and we're going to do a crossing shuffle, left over right, cross left over right, right side, left over right. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot, we're scuffing our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot to face 3 o'clock. You're now going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. That's going to end up making a 3/4 turn. We're now going to step back with our right foot, and we're going to sit down onto our right foot, popping both knees, making sure that your weight's all the way onto your right foot, lifting that left heel up so your knee is popped. For styling, if you would like to add a little extra, when you do that sit back, you can start with a body roll, so you would roll, sit, and pop. Now we're going to rock forward onto our left foot and push our left hip forward. We're going to rock back onto our right and push our right hip back, popping that knee up. You're now going to do a left shuffle forward, step left forward, right together, left forward, and you'll end facing 9 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. We ended section 1 with our left crossed over our right. We're going to make that quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to make an 1/8 of a turn, skating our right foot into the right diagonal. So we're going to bring our right foot in and we're going to push it out, making that 1/8 of a turn over our right shoulder. You're now at 10:30. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, skating our left foot in and pushing it out to face the 7:30 diagonal. We're now going to do a right mambo step into the 7:30 diagonal, rocking our right foot forward, recover back onto your left, step back with your right. Remaining in the diagonal, we're going to do a left coaster step, left back, right together, left forward. You're still at 7:30. We're now going to make an 1/8 of a turn over our left shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side and dragging our left toe into our right. And as you drag it in, you can snap your right hand down towards your hip. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on that left foot, you're doing your 2 skates. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And you really want to emphasize that 8. You can push your hip into it a little bit, pop that knee slightly. It will give it a little more styling. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a quarter shuffle over our left shoulder. We're going to make a quarter turn, stepping forward with our left foot to face 3 o'clock. Step your left next to your right, left foot forward. We're now going to make a half turn shuffle over our left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side, left foot together, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to do a left coaster step, left back, right together, left forward, and we're going to do 2 walks forward, step right, step left, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts. We ended section 3 with our touch and snap. You're doing that quarter shuffle over your left shoulder. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And then you would start the dance all over again with your scuff step out. Let's try that all the way through, facing the front with steps and counts. Weights on that left foot, you're scuffing that right heel. Scuff out, roll knee in, roll out, cross, side rock, crossing shuffle, quarter half back, sit back with your pop, rock forward, back, left, shuffle, forward. Skate 8, turn, skate quarter. Mambo into the diagonal, left coaster into the diagonal, 1/8 slide, touch. Quarter shuffle forward, half shuffle back, coaster step, 2 walks, walk, walk. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot, you're scuffing your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now we're going to go all the way around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do our counts. It has no tags and no restarts, so we don't have to worry about anything else. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our scuff with our right. Scuff, out, roll knee in, roll out. Cross, side rock, crossing shuffle, quarter forward, half back, back with your pop, push forward, recover back, shuffle forward, skate, skate, mambo step, coaster step, 1/8 slide and touch, quarter shuffle forward, half shuffle back, coaster step, walk, walk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Scuff, out, roll in, roll out. Cross, side rock, crossing shuffle, quarter forward, half back, sit back and pop. Rock forward, back, shuffle forward. Skate diagonal, quarter, mambo step, coaster step, 1/8 slide and touch. Quarter shuffle forward, half shuffle back, coaster step, walk, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, the dance ends on the front wall. So what we're going to do is, you'll do your 2 walks forward, and right before the song ends, it has a couple counts. You're just going to do your scuff out. And that will end the dance at the end of all of the music. I hope this helps you learn Put It On Me. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.